Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are doing video editing with the same app called InShot. So you open InShot and you go to downloads, or you go to video folder, wherever you have the videos. Then you click on the two videos you want to join. Now, so it's very simple actually. If you leave the video like this, you say done. But I said I'll show you guys other things. Now you can add transition here. I showed you guys transition before, right? If we use this, but then like I said, if you put in the videos, right, you select them, or you didn't select them accordingly in order the way you wanted, and then you already started editing, what you could do is, if you click this steady, one of the videos, you can move it to be the first and the other one comes second. Alright, so here let's put this transition here, something like a transformation transition. So this, yeah, you see, so your transition, like I said, the first video with the second video, it should blend it together. You see, and then this sound on this video, we'll remove this sound and put something else, or we can even mute the entire video sound. So if you click volume, mute, click the second video, mute. So now there's no sound, and then we'll now select the music we want to put. Also, if you don't want that sound, you know, like the flipping sound, the filter has its own, you can just mute it here. Nice. So this is how you join two videos together, easy and short and simple. And now, like I showed you previously, how to do the speed is the same, if in case you want to reduce the speed or cut the video. I said I also talk about cutting some sections out of your video. Let's say now, if you notice here where the dog was licking his nursery, if you want to remove that, so here you click split, then move a bit forward, and then you click when the tongue is out. There we go, split, so it will not be noticed. Then you highlight that section and delete. So if you play the video from the beginning, you have this. So this is how you cut sections out from in a video, like removing a section you don't want, or you want people to see. Then to add words, everything is down here. Text, you can type whatever you want to type. I love puppies, or I love dogs. Now if you want to change this, if you click this color, this cycle there, you can change. And then also, if you tap and hold on it on the screen, you can move it to wherever you want to place it. I also change the size by dragging this. So I wouldn't be putting that in the video, but I'm just showing you guys how to edit. Everything is down here, and you can play with it as you like, or you don't want it, you just click the X. No, yep. If you want it, you click the tick sign or the symbol, and then it goes. Yep. So that is that. Now to add music, you guys already know how to add music. You just tap on your music and you select the music you want from your music. My music. I don't think I have any. Let me see this. Nope. Yeah.
Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza. Shake your body like a ballet dancer. Hey ladies, drop it down. Just wanna see you touch the ground. Don't be shy, girl, go bonanza.
So we have to pick a music that matches. Nope. Also, if you want to edit, you see, if you click edit, I showed this in a previous video. Previous video was about editing photo slideshow, picture slideshow, so most of these things were covered there. So you can just move this to this place you want. So I can start there. Let me see. Now I want that section to be the entrance of the big dog. So edit, wait for it. So just move it to this. You can also edit it here if there is difficult for you. Come here, you split, you delete the first one, you move this. I think I showed this also in the slideshow. Now it's too much. We go back and back and back and back. Maybe here, somewhere here. Delete, move. A bit more. Delete. A bit more. Delete. Bit small, delete. Yes, now we have gotten it. I like this. See the entrance. That is how the music editing as well in the video. This is how the music editing the video works as well. So you select the sections of the music you want and how you want it to enter with the video, and delete the part you don't want and leave the part you want. So I think we are done with all. Now if you want to, let's say, enhance the quality of the video, you just go to filter, let's say bright, story, warm, but I think I'll just leave the video the way the original. I like the original. Yeah, so there's no need editing it. So that is, it's going to be all for today, and see you in my next video. I'm going to save this video and I'm going to upload it as well, like I did the last one, on my YouTube channel. So let's save this and I'll play this at the ending of this video. So what I'm going to do as well is to finish it up, cut the ending, and let it fade out. Nice. Right, so you have it. Let's save this save. Our video is done. Now let's watch. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.